This video will provide an overview of the Trio Explorer map, which was created to allow users to find, filter, and export Trio grantee data. The application opens with a splash screen that is designed to highlight the three most important features of the map. 1. Filter options. 2. Grantee location and program data. And 3. Data export options. The map opens with grantee points and congressional districts turned on by default. Small pie charts are used for grantee symbols because many grantees offer more than one TRIO program. Each slice of the pie represents a different TRIO program. Additional information on the projects can be found by clicking on Adopt. When turned on, congressional districts will display first. To skip to the grantee data, click on the small arrow in the top bar. The pop-up provides basic details like address, total funding and participants, and project director information. To search by location, click in the search bar and begin typing. You can search by grantee name or by location. Now it's time to dive in to the search options on the left side panel. The map opens with a variety of optional filters. The first is TRIO program type. You can select one or more TRIO programs from the list. I will select Student Support Services and Educational Opportunity Centers. The second option is state, so I will select Washington from the list. The third option is institution type, like a public four-year school, and then total participants and total funding are also options. The congressional districts filter works just like the program filters above. One thing to note is that the filter is applied as soon as I make a selection from a checkbox. I can turn off all the filters by clicking this toggle in the Programs bar. Using these filters, I've been able to narrow down my data to my focus area, Student Support Services and Educational Opportunity Centers in Washington State. As you can see, the programs maintain their pie chart symbols even when the filter has been applied. I can use the legend, which is found in the middle section of this top bar, to preview or to see the colors associated with each program. My current task isn't related to congressional districts, so I'm going to click on the Layers button and turn off congressional districts. The last tool is for sharing. To do so, I can copy the URL in this link and then paste it into an email. This will allow the person who opens the map using this link to view the exact results that I have here. The last important feature of this map is the attribute table. To show this table, I'm going to click on the small tab located in the bottom center of the map. By default, the table only contains the points visible on the map. This option can be turned off by clicking on the Filter by Map extent. So I currently have 4 programs in my table. If I turn the filter off, that increases to 34 programs. I can see more data in the table by dragging up or moving left to right. I can select a project from the list and then use the Zoom to button to get closer to that project. The Options button includes the ability to hide and show columns in the table or to export the data to a CSV. One thing to note is that this export is limited to 1,000 records, so you may need to perform the export more than one time. To ensure that you don't have duplicate records and that you do include every record, I would recommend creating a filter based on state. You could select 25 states the first time, complete an export, and then switch and do the remaining 25 states to make sure that you get data from all locations. This concludes my demonstration of the TRIO Explorer map.